Funny Fur is sending representatives to meet with executives at Creature Comforts in beautiful Glasgow, Scotland. Both Funny Fur and Creature Comforts provide high-quality and affordable pet care products. Funny Fur is dedicated to becoming a more green company, and since Scotland is a global leader in making environmentally conscious choices, we are partnering with Creature Comforts on our new product, biodegradable pet waste bags. This type of product is a natural progression for Scottish pet owners, since Scotland has goals like cutting 80% of their carbon emissions by 2050. In 2016, the world produced 320 million tons of non-biodegradable plastic. Creature Comforts and Funny Fur are dedicated to doing our parts in cutting this number down, especially in progressively greener cities like Glasgow. Here's what to expect for your stay in Glasgow. Scotland is a beautiful country with lots of rolling hills and rural areas, but Glasgow is an urban city which has embraced technology. Wi-Fi is abundant and often free. Glasgow also features lots of unique eateries. When you take advantage of this, make sure you tip 10%. If the service was exceptional, you can leave a little bit more. When you're chatting with your Scottish colleagues, don't bring up politics. It's also considered rude to ask about somebody's family, unless that person has already brought up their family on their own. Good topics of conversation include your travels, especially around Europe and Scotland, hobbies, especially outdoor ones like hiking or swimming, and the weather. Since our companies are both centered on pet owners, it's also appropriate to talk about your pets. Scottish business etiquette can be a little different than what we're used to in America. While we value a firm handshake here, it can be seen as aggressive in Scotland, so go for something lighter and more casual. Remember to respect the personal space of everyone around you. Also, it's best not to use first names unless you've been invited to do so. Business meetings often begin casually with jokes and banter. However, it's still important that you arrive early to show your respect for your colleagues' time. Lastly, remember to bring lots of business cards, as Scots typically exchange cards with anyone they do business with. Enjoy your time in this beautiful country.